So if you want to publish your Lovable app on the App Store on mobile, so natively, not as a web app sort of wrapper, then what you want to gonna do is first go to Lovable and open up the project, gonna publish it. So just publish it with the normal Lovable URL, continue, you can make it public and then click continue again, then continue and publish it. So after you publish your app, you just want to go and copy your URL, so I'll just copy it right here. And while this is publishing, the tool we are going to use, because Lovable doesn't do this natively, is Despia. This allows you to ship web apps as mobile apps, and this is actually the best option out there in my opinion. You have one-click publishing, native app features, and importantly, over-the-air updates. So you can push urgent fixes live in seconds with zero approval wait, fully compliant. So instead of having to fully republish your app from base 44, Lovable, etc., with this tool it pushes it to the tool and then to the App Store, and that makes it faster. Now it's not cheap, but this is a one-time cost. So Solo is $249, Hybrid is $498, and that gets you iOS and Android. If you only need one, then you can get the Solo pack right here. So gonna click Get Started for free, sign up, and from there click Create My First App. Now give it a name, and then here add the web app URL. So that's the Lovable app URL we just copied. Now only make sure to make it a valid link by adding this before it, and then click Create New Application. And that will take you right here. Now here in settings you can set up your configuration, you can find your integrations, you can go into add-ons where you can add background audio, biometric app look, background location tracking, and much more. You have your targets, so for example you can also do a smart widget, and you can basically just customize the app. From there you can export the code, or you can publish the app directly from here by connecting to Apple iOS, so the Apple developer account. By clicking right here, add new developer account, you can then enter your development team ID, issuer ID, connect the P8 API file, and connect the API key ID, then click link with Apple, and you can publish everything directly from inside of here. So now you know how to publish your Lovable app to the App Store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.